was looking at graduate schools, I decided to come to Georgia Tech because I really liked the sense of community that I felt people had. In the chemistry department, there are a number of student organizations that provided a support network for the students, and everyone knew everybody's name and seemed to get along really well, and you weren't just a face in the crowd. I really like the research that I'm working on, and I like being able to tinker and build with systems and put things together and figure out how things work, which is a big component of my research. And I also like having an application-driven research where I can see the direct product and the direct impact that my research is going to have on the broader community. Right now I'm doing imaging mass spectrometry, and so that is essentially chemical imaging of different surfaces. So right now my study with imaging is imaging of brain tissues, and so I can take sections of brain tissue that have either been or undergone some sort of injury, so to model traumatic brain injuries like concussions or hard impacts on a football field or in military from IEDs or that type of thing, to then try and find biomarkers that would indicate such an injury, and then be able to work on not only the detection of that type of injury, but how to go about treating it to minimize the damage. And I'm also working on imaging tissues that have brain tumors in them. So I can then compare and contrast tumor tissue with healthy tissue and try and find biomarkers to help again there in the diagnostic and treatment process of the different cancers.